Hi, I'm Chandan Kumar, working as a .NET programmer in Spyro Technologies, Chennai. Now we are going to see the topic about novel end-to-end filtering scheme against false injection data attacks in cyber physical network system. In this end-to-end filtering scheme against false data injection attack is a cyber physical network system. Cyber physical network system is a challenger can inject false measurement into a controller through compromised sensor nodes, which not only threaten the security of a system but also consume network resource. So, we in this topic we are going to develop a polynomial-based compromised realisant end-to-end filtering scheme, which filter false injected data efficiently and achieve high resolution and to a number of compromised node without relying a static Gaussian node localization. PCRF adopts polynomial instead of message authentication code to entracing measurement report to achieving religion to attack. So, in existing concept, cyber physical network system, challenger can inject false measurement into a controller through compromised sensor nodes, which only threaten the security of system but also consuming network to deal the issue. This proposed system we implement a novel end-to-end filtering scheme against false injection data attacks cyber physical network system report transmitting the sensor to a controller. In each forward node check whether the forwarding reports actually is carry a valid MAC. If not, the report is considered as a false or forgotten by the adversary. End-to-end filtering scheme existing end-to-end filtering scheme propose a polynomial-based compromised realisant end-to-end filtering scheme. This technique's definition: end-to-end filtering is a scheme by which immediately nodes confirm authenticate of message and filtering them which those messages travel to the network. PCRF can filter false data into effectively and achieve high resolution to the number of compromised nodes without relying the static route and node localization. Drawbacks: low resolution, filter false injection data, it's not efficient. Achieve high resolution and filtering false injection data is efficiently is the advantage of this concept. We see the diagram. This is the overall diagram of our concept. This concept, data center database is sending data to a controller from destination. We will be see the actuator sensor will be sending the data through the network. In this authentication code will be matched, means the controller destination will be performed, otherwise it won't perform. Software requirements: operating system Windows 7, front end is Microsoft Visual Studio 2013, coding C# and backend SQL Server 2012. Hardware requirement: processor Pentium dual core 2.0 GHz, hard disk 120 GB, mouse Logitech, RAM 2 GB minimum, keyboard 110 keys enhanced. Technologies using in this project: ASP.NET, stored procedure, 3-tier architecture. Feature enhancement: the false injection data encode efficiently and achieve high resolution to number of compromised nodes without relying on static route and node localization. Our data shows that our development is scheme achieving better filtering capacity and resolution to a large number of compromised nodes. Thanks for watching.